What's up, guys? Happy Monday. So we just finished Rex. This is my favorite clone trooper. This is obviously a phase 2 trooper helmet, but this file is from Galactic Armory. You guys take a look at that. Look how detailed it is. I still have a couple supports to take out inside. This thing was a monster to print. The biggest print I've ever done. It was an 8-day print with a 0.4mm nozzle. This one is for me. It's not going to anybody except for me. And where it's actually heading right now, I'm extremely surprised. So right here is going to be for Chavez. He does work for Galactic Armory, the one where I got this file from, and his painting jobs are incredible. Like, the guy, he uses aerosol cans, but he makes magic with aerosol cans. He does things better with an aerosol can than I see people do with a paintbrush and with an airbrush. That's just how good he is. So I am extremely excited to have him do a helmet for me. I reached out to him once Galactic tagged him on Instagram, where you can find him on that link. And I just wanted to say, like, hey man, that paint job is amazing. And he offered to paint something for me. So we worked out something, and I'm shipping this off to him today. By the time you guys see this video, it'll probably already be there. It is Monday. This one should be up on Friday. So by the time you guys see it, like I said, he should have it and already be at work. So I cannot wait to see how it turns out when he sends it back to me. I want to give a shout out to Cosmos Esports. This is my org. We're coming back. Ken's, thank you very much for all the work that you've been trying to do in the background while we try and rebuild. But yeah, so this is going to be awesome. I'm really excited. I cannot wait to see how it's done. So shout out to Galactic Armory, as always, because his files are just amazing. Chavez, make sure you check him out. Drop him a follow, because I'm telling you, his work is absolutely amazing. He does a lot of work for big YouTubers in painting. And he doesn't ask for anything. Like, he doesn't ask for anything in return. So when I met him, he's just genuinely into it, like myself for 3D printing. We're just doing it because we just really like it. So his painting is far, far superior to mine. I'm extremely excited. I wouldn't even tackle this one. This one is just, it's extreme. The amount of detail on this thing, like, just look at it. Getting into all these crevices, even inside the cheek is some stuff too. So it's like, how are you gonna do this with an aerosol can? But I guess in time will tell. We're gonna see it. So again, guys, please drop a like, drop a sub if you like what you see, and definitely check him out on Instagram. His work is amazing, and he's just gone social. So his Instagram account is new as well, but it's just so good. You guys got to check it out. I can't wait to get it back and see what he's done. There is attachment pieces. I didn't show them. They are already packed up and ready for shipping. So right after this video, it's going over to him. So good luck. I'm excited to see what he can do. If you guys have any recommendations what you want us to build next, I do have the whole files for this guy as well, but I gotta get on my Mando suit. But if you guys would like to drop a comment on what you'd like to see built next, let's get it done. So thanks for watching Into the Cosmos, and keep printing.